Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if an application is constantly crashing on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. So first of all, locate the troublesome application on your smartphone and hold your finger down on the home screen, then tap on the info icon next to this application's quick actions, and then we're gonna have to select storage, and here clear cache if this app has some cache stored, and it probably does. Just tap clear cache at the bottom and then try restarting this application. In some cases we're also gonna need to clear the data of the app, and if the app continues crashing, then check its page in either Play Store or the Samsung Galaxy Store, and check whether the application you're trying to run is updated. So just go to this applications page and check if it says update and open and not update. If it says update, then let the smartphone install the update for this application. Also, to clear temporary data of your smartphone, simply restart it by holding down the power button and volume down keys at the same time and selecting restart in the power menu, and then wait until the phone is restarted. And then try to relaunch the application once again. If this won't help you, you can simply reinstall the app by holding your finger down on the applications icon on the home screen, selecting uninstall, and then install the same application from the Play Store once again. Also check your device's storage by going to settings, device care, and check whether the storage is not completely used on your smartphone. Besides, also go to memory, let your device check the available RAM memory and clean your memory. And then try relaunching the application once again, and at this point this should solve the issue. And that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.